Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a work permit, also known as an EAD or Employment Authorization Document. So this is helpful if you're eligible to work in the United States but need official permission first. The form used for this is called Form I-765, Application for Employment Authorization. So to start, go to the official USCIS website and open the Form I-765 page. And from there, read the instructions carefully so that you can check if you are eligible to apply. And make sure to choose the correct eligibility category because this depends on your immigration situation. Next, prepare the details and documents needed for your application. This may include your personal information, immigration information, photos, and supporting documents. After that, complete the Form I-765. Some people may be able to file online, while others may need to file by mail, and depending on their category. Before you submit, review everything carefully. Make sure your name, address, category, and documents are correct, then pay the required fee if it applies to you, and submit the application. After submitting, USCIS will send a receipt notice, and you can use the receipt number to check your case status on the USCIS website. If the application is approved, USCIS will issue your EAD card, and that is how you apply for a work permit or EAD. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.